Can chair yoga help you lose belly fat? Hi, I'm Sarah Starr, host of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on PBS, and I'd like you to stick around until the end where I share with you the secret to having success on your fitness journey. But first things first, abs are made in the kitchen and you can't out-train a poor diet. That being said, chair yoga is an effective and accessible way to strengthen your core. Those gentle twists and ab exercises help to tighten and tone your belly muscles without the neck, back, or knee pain that so many experience when trying to get down on the ground. So go ahead, get comfy, grab your chair, and let's dive into this energizing routine together. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, moving into a cat-cow stretch variation. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue flowing with this movement. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, and with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest. Release and return to center. Cross your arms out in front of your chest, keeping your core strong, and your navel back towards your spine, cinching in all the way around your waist. On your inhale, lean back slightly, using your core to keep your spine straight, and on your exhale, use your abs to return to upright. Continue with this movement, using your core to stabilize, resting when you need to. Release and return to center. Clasp your hands beneath your chair. Lean back at a slight angle, using your core to stabilize. Lift both legs and hold as you continue lifting through your chest, lengthening your spine, feeling your abdomen, spine, and hip flexors working. Release and return to center. Place your hands to lightly rest behind your head with your elbows wide. Inhale, center, exhale, gently twist. Inhale, center, exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue rotating from right to left, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine. Maintain your hips facing forward, allowing this movement to originate from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders, working through your obliques. Adding on, inhale at center, exhale, gently twist as you lift through the opposite leg. Inhale at center, re-lengthening your spine. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue twisting from right to left, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps while activating your obliques. Release and return to center. Moving into a seated knee raise march. Reach through one arm as you lift through the opposite leg. Continue moving at your own pace, sitting tall, lightly lifting through your lower belly. Feeling this action awaken your center. Release and return to center. Moving into a knee tuck variation. Place your hands to the seat of your chair behind you. Keep your spine straight and your core engaged as you extend both legs forward. Lean back at a slight angle, using your core to stabilize. On your exhale, draw one knee in towards your chest. Inhale, re-lengthen. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, keeping your core engaged and your navel back towards your spine. Pause with both legs extended. Maintain the position of your spine with your core engaged. Alternate lifting from right to left, keeping your legs straight and strong. Moving at your own pace, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Release and return to center, moving into a side leg lift variation. Sitting tall, clasp your hands beneath your chair. Alternate lifting each leg up, out to the side, and back to center, flowing from right to left. Continue moving at your own pace, keeping your navel back towards your spine, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps, while creating more mobility in your hips. Continue here, or for more of a challenge, lift both legs up, out to the side, and back to center. Continue with this movement, and for more ease, return to the alternate leg lift variation. Stay connected to your breath as you keep your spine long and your navel back towards your spine, using your core to stabilize. Release and return to center. Moving into a seated knee raise march. Raise your hands out in front of your chest to hover. Alternate lifting from right to left, working to lift your knees to touch your hands if possible. Continue moving at your own pace, gradually increasing your range of motion, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Continue here, or for more of a challenge, tap your hands together under each leg. Optional to add a leg extension as you continue sitting tall, keeping your core engaged and your navel back towards your spine, stretching through your hamstrings and calf muscles. Continue here or adding on. Inhale, arms reach overhead. Exhale, adding a toe touch, reaching opposite hand to leg. Continue flowing from right to left, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine, moving through your own range of motion. Stay connected to your breath as you release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. And now for the secret to having success on your fitness journey. It's consistency, being able to stick with it and finish what you start. So if your goal is to tighten and tone while feeling healthier and happier in your body, I'll see you tomorrow. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.